Hello everyone, good day and welcome to Crafting Channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a secret that millions of people don't know: how to sharpen a knife in just 1 minute. Let's jump right in. Be sure to watch closely and follow each step carefully. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help, and I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your country in the comments. It's incredible that we can connect with people from all around the world. Let me know if you want a version or more excitement for social media platforms. Here's a smoother, more natural version of your message while keeping the friendly and encouraging tone. Be sure to give this idea a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'm so glad to have you here on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. Thanks so much for watching. Here's a polished version of your call to action that sounds more natural and engaging. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.